As you can see at the back of the car, seatbelts are not required and there is no limit to passengers.
May extra lechon for tomorrow. Lechon? Yeah,
The resort is very clean and well maintained. The pool was clean and the staff were helpful and friendly. Entrance cost was around £1 per person.
Go! Look at my dad.
Time to start fishing. As you can see, we are in typical December weather, but it does change quickly. In the resort, you can fish freely with no limit. You just pay 200 pesos per kilogram. When fishing at the resort, you have to bring your own equipment. Obviously, we didn't have anything, but of course, Erica's dad knew this guy. So we were able to use his fishing wire and feed. Here where I'm standing, it's safe due to the tiny pier being fragile and constructed out of old wooden board. Also, I did notice some basic floorboards were there, but for now, I don't think it's safe. But I can tell you now that even though it's raining, I've found that I really enjoyed the setting.
Steam ko ano. Pwede ka lang ni kamotong bunto ang kamotong kulay ni.
Nga ni. Pero damot gud dito.
Ha?
Hindi ganitin kamot la.
Damot mo ako na no. Okay lang para mag-travel. Sus! Siguro larong pa. Sus! Tara laro. Cut. Diyos ko po. Ito.
Tara na dyan, nawara na.
Kasabot na hirap po. Lalango lang kita yung mga tao. Ito na oh. Mga dalaw na linya.
If you have this kind of blood, then have like this, you will not be magugutom. Tawag ito, hungry.
Hungry.
You know?
You'll be able to sustain it for yourself.
Ayaw.
Ha? Tarit ka na rin tada. Natarit eh. Palitin.
Tulo! Tulo!
Kali pa ba?
Hey, hey, hey!
It's not. Is it a? It's not. Is it a big one?
Yeah! It's a big one! Balik ito ni balik.
Here.
Ikaw na mong din! Dako!
Is that a big one?
Okay na. That's the biggest one yet.
Waray na dagko.
There's another one somewhere. There was two. Oh yeah. Cover.
Ito sa gato, pabayin na kon.
Brother. We must look for another big one.
There was two.
I think the other one went.
Where did it go?
Ano? Ha?
Now I wanted to fish using my hands. It looked very easy like it always does. However, I learned quickly that it's not as easy as it looks. We managed to get around 2.4 kilograms of fish, but we only paid for 2 kilograms, as Erica's dad knew the owner as well. You can actually stay overnight at the resort. Maybe before we go, we can stay here to show you what it looks like.
Overnight stay. Yay! Timbang ka, Nay! Timbang ka ba? Timbang ka!
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please leave a like and sub, and let me know in the comments what you thought about this episode. Thank you.